Horse farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Horses are bred, reared, and kept for boarding, training, or selling horses. In some areas, agricultural activities, including horse farming, may be eligible for tax benefits or exemptions. There are many things to remember about horse farming, such as horse care, feed, health, business models, etc. Dear visitors, today we will try to tell you how to profit by farming horses quickly at a low cost. Know about business objectives, market analysis, financial planning, and horse breeding. Horses need adequate shelter, such as stables or barns, with proper ventilation and safe environments. Horses also require paddocks or pastures to roam freely, which contributes to their physical and mental well-being. Insulation is needed to keep a horse's house warm in cold regions. In summer, the horse house should have adequate ventilation and shade, so that the horse can stay comfortable and avoid heat problems. Horse farming may involve a specific breed or several breeds depending on the purpose. Popular breeds include thoroughbreds, for racing, quarter horses, for ranch work and rodeo, Arabians, known for endurance, and warmbloods, for equestrian sports. Horses will need good quality forage, grass, forage, and supplements for proper nutrition. The availability of adequate clean water for horses is very important. An adult horse can drink about 25 to 55 liters of water a day, which helps to maintain its performance and normal body functions. Older horses can have dental problems, so it's best to feed soft food, such as pelleted hay or soaked grain. Besides, they should be given food rich in fiber and protein to ease digestion. Because horses have small stomachs, they need to be fed in small portions several times a day rather than feeding them all at once. Food should be given at the same time every day. Food should be changed gradually. Sudden changes can cause digestive problems. The ideal time for a mare to breed is during her fertile period, which enables her to conceive easily. A horse's menstrual cycle occurs once every 21 days and each menstrual cycle lasts about 5 to 7 days. When the mare is in the heat cycle, she is prepared for breeding. In artificial insemination, the stallion's semen is collected and injected into the mare's uterus through a special procedure. The gestation period of the mare is about 11 months or 340 days. During pregnancy, mare requires proper nutrition, health checkups, and adequate rest. A veterinary doctor should be consulted regularly during pregnancy. A mare usually gives birth to a single calf, foal, towards the end of her pregnancy. After birth, the foal needs to walk quickly and drink milk. The newborn foal needs to drink colostrum from the mother's milk during the first 24 hours, which boosts its immune system. Horses should have a full health checkup by a veterinarian at least once every 6 months or a year. This includes vaccinations and preventive measures.